Hi, my name is Carlos. 3 years ago, I went into the EOC in Brentwood and started taking classes at the ATTAIN lab to get my Microsoft certifications in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneNote. Before attending, I knew some of the basics of Word, which I used to write essays for college. At ATTAIN, I learned the more advanced functions of Word and the rest of the Microsoft suite, like recording macros, creating shortcuts, making graphs, and even creating my own PowerPoint presentations. After I got my certifications, I secured a job where I was able to use what I learned in Excel and PowerPoint to work with financial statements, restructure historical data, and even present my own PowerPoint presentations. I even secured a job teaching some of these same skills to non-native English speakers. All the staff at EOC Brentwood, like Anna and Jasmine, have been excellent motivators and a great help. I appreciate all they did to make my learning experience enjoyable. Thank you.